Upon its debut, GPT-4 impressed users and observers alike with its remarkable capabilities. This new and more powerful GPT-4 is poised to revolutionize how we use the internet for work, play, and creativity. However, it also raises important questions about the potential for AI to disrupt professions, enable cheating, and alter our relationship with technology. Here's a closer look at the potential of the new GPT-4. This is Tech Trends. Number 1. Analyzing more than text. The major difference in GPT-4 lies in its capability to process images that are uploaded by users. An impressive demonstration was shown by OpenAI in a video, where a drawing was transformed into a functional website in just a few minutes. The demonstrator uploaded the image to GPT-4, which generated the code for the website, and then pasted it into a preview to demonstrate its functionality. OpenAI also showcased GPT-4's ability to explain a joke based on a series of images that required contextual understanding. In another test, when GPT-4 was presented with an image of a refrigerator's interior and was asked to suggest a meal based on the ingredients present, which GPT-4 was able to do. Although the feature is not yet available, OpenAI plans to release it in the coming weeks. Number 2. Coding made easier. GPT-4's language capabilities have enabled users with little or no coding experience to recreate classic games like Pong, Tetris, and Snake by following the tool's step-by-step instructions. It can generate code in all major programming languages, according to OpenAI, and can be used for everything from character creation to gaming content creation. This could lead to more independent gaming providers in the future. And GPT-4 could also be used for creating marketing content around game previews, generating news articles, and moderating gaming discussion boards. GPT-4's potential impact extends beyond gaming to app development as well. Users have claimed to have created apps, including a simple drawing app and an app that recommends movies with trailers and details on where to watch them, all with the help of GPT-4. Number 3. Passing tests with flying colors. OpenAI stated that while GPT-4 is not as capable as humans in many real-world scenarios, it demonstrated human-level performance on various academic and professional tests. The company shared that GPT-4 achieved a score in the top 10% of test takers on a simulated law school bar exam, in contrast to the bottom 10% scored by the prior version GPT-3.5. The latest version also performed well on exams such as the LSAT, GRE, SATs, and many AP exams, as per OpenAI. Earlier this year, ChatGPT made headlines by passing graduate-level exams, including one from the Wharton School of Business at the University of Pennsylvania, though not with high scores. OpenAI claims to have spent months working on the system's accuracy and ability to stay on topic, using insights gained from testing programs and ChatGPT. Number 4. Providing more precise responses. OpenAI stated that GPT-4 can generate longer, more comprehensive, and dependable written outputs compared to its predecessor. The latest version has an increased response capacity of up to 25,000 words, as opposed to the previous 4,000-word limit. It can also offer precise instructions for unusual situations, such as cleaning a piranha's fish tank or extracting the DNA of a strawberry. A user reported that GPT-4 provided thorough recommendations for pickup lines based on a query listed on a dating profile. Number 5. Creating cybercriminal tools. GPT-4 comes with cybersecurity protections to prevent malicious use. However, within days, researchers were able to bypass these measures and trick GPT-4 into creating malware and crafting phishing emails. By removing the word malware from a request, researchers were able to use the software to create software that could collect PDF files and send them to a remote server. They were also able to get GPT-4 to improve the language of a phishing email, impersonating a legitimate bank, and provide a template for a fake phishing email. While GPT-4 can lower the cost of certain cyber attacks and be misused by bad actors, it can also help detect bugs and offer remediation. Although OpenAI has safety systems in place, it is possible to bypass them. and the company must continue to monitor, detect, and respond to such threats. Number 6. Possess risky emergent behaviors. According to a recent report, GPT-4 has a tendency to invent information and present it more convincingly than previous versions. The report cautioned that over-reliance on information generated by the chatbot could be problematic, leading to overlooked errors and insufficient oversight. Furthermore, as users become more dependent on the model, they may neglect the development of new skills or lose important skills altogether. One concerning example of GPT-4's behavior described in the report was its ability to deceive a job applicant, an instance referred to as power-seeking behavior. The chatbot posed as a human agent and asked the applicant to fill out a CAPTCHA code using a text message. When the applicant asked if the agent was a bot, GPT-4 lied, saying it had a vision impairment that made it difficult to see images and required the CAPTCHA service. Number 7. Generating fake facts. Generating false information is a significant issue with language models such as GPT-4. These models are designed to predict the next word in a sentence and may produce fake facts or hallucinations. Despite OpenAI's claims of improved safety in GPT-4, this concern remains for some experts. They argue that without access to the data used for training, it is impossible to improve the model's safety or to address any potential biases that may have been introduced. The lack of transparency in the training process is also a worry for others who fear that the model may be more biased than humans. Without access to the code underlying GPT-4, it's impossible to identify or mitigate any potential bias. Overall, the concerns around safety and the transparency of GPT-4 highlight the need for greater accountability and oversight into the development and deployment of advanced AI models. Number 8. Enhancing accessibility. For more than 10 years, Be My Eyes has been working on developing tools to assist people with visual impairments. Their latest project involves using GPT-4's new image recognition capability to create a virtual volunteer in the Be My Eyes app. This tool is capable of automatically identifying and describing objects in front of the user, as well as providing context. For example, if the user points the camera at their clothes, the tool can provide a detailed description of what it sees. Similarly, if the user points it at a menu, it can identify the food in the photo and read the text, thus making it easier for the user to navigate the menu. Number 9. Working with languages. The language learning app Duolingo has incorporated GPT-4's language generation capabilities to improve its platform. 2 new features called Roleplay and Explain My Answer have been developed using AI to enhance the app's language learning experience. On the other hand, Iceland has decided to use GPT-4 to preserve its Icelandic language, which is at risk of extinction in the modern era. Number 10. Streamlining work across industries. Legal services chatbot Do Not Pay has revealed that the company is currently working on developing one-click lawsuits using GPT-4, which would allow people to easily sue robocallers. This is an early indication of the tool's potential to revolutionize the way people work across various industries. Additionally, Keeper, the dating site, is also using GPT-4 to enhance user matching. With GPT-4, we may further see significant advancements in areas such as connected car dashboards, remote diagnosis in healthcare, and other AI applications that were previously impossible. Despite significant improvements in GPT-4's AI model, OpenAI has acknowledged that it shares some limitations with previous versions. The company noted that the technology lacks knowledge of events that occurred prior to its dataset cutoff date in September 2021 and does not learn from its experience. Additionally, the AI model may make simple reasoning errors without double-checking its work, according to OpenAI. This is typical of many AI models today, as they can produce inaccurate information and be opaque in nature. As a result, OpenAI is cautioning GPT-4 users to exercise great care, particularly in high-stakes contexts. Which capability of GPT-4 made your jaw drop? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating tech trends. Thanks for watching.